just about ready for tip-off. Bataan looking to turn their season around against a South Cotabato team that has settled well after a slow start. And Yves Sazon scores immediately. As the kick out.
Good pass.
Elorde knocks down the three.
Yeah, block to the other side of the court. Ang ganda ng tira ni Elorde.
Inside, Ramirez.
Ganda ng pasa ni Gabawan doon on the cut shoes. Ayan, nagpapa-check up siya ngayon.
Alacuña from the corner. South. Rafi Octubre fires a three. That's good.
Ang ganda ng action noon sa ball screen. Libre doon. Si Octubre on the third reversal.
Step back three. Enzo Hosson.
Yung laro niya, yung full package niya, especially on the offensive end. Started his career with Marikina. Ito, Rafi Octubre. Nabanggit natin.
Hosson puts the ball on the deck. Nice fake. Leans in and puts it in for two.
And I thought he was fouled too. 7 points. Was he the finals MVP?
No, I don't think so.
That time, no? Coach Aldinayo, ang kanilang coach during that time. Coach Louie Gonzalez.
Pero yan yung mga galaw. They were very solid, that team. Mga naalala ko yun, sila Ray ng Batak.
Sa mga preseason leagues, Father Martin, kalaban ng CSB. Sazon with a jumper, yun, bumawi sa last 2 minutes. Ito na ngayon ang South Cotabato. Horns play, Jervy Cruz. Matic ba? Yes!
Jervy Cruz and Mark Cruz combining on that play.
With Ginebra.
Vera behind the back. Quickly.
Nice.
To bring us Minus with some hang time.
Paborito player mo to eh. No, si Minus. Former Pampanga Giant Lantern.
Tolentino. Marwin Jonicio for three. Yes.
Ganda nung linya na yun. Masyado naging komportable.
The first quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball and partner of the MPBL. Carl Bringas. That's it to Acuno. Laban si Dumapig. Nice looking jumper from Ray Acuno. Jervy, another three. Not short. Marwin Jonicio tracks down the miss. Here's Jamil Gabawan. Sazon gets it back and knocks down the jumper. Nico Elorde. Binigay kay Alacuña from the corner.
What did I tell you? I thought it was a foul. He was trying to give up a foul to stop the break, but what a backdoor play between Gabawan and Yves Sazon, and that's how you beat the denials.
Here's Hosson. Larry Rodriguez, yes.
Missed his first shot earlier in the first quarter.
Baguio trying to test the defense of Alacuña.
Wow.
Great finish. Galing kay Dante Baguio. First basket for him. Enzo. Wala. Ramirez secures the rebound. Chance for Bataan to draw closer.
Good pass.
Sazon for three. Yes.
You know, Sidney, one of the hardest things to guard in transition aside from the forward pass. Dito ni Kyle, hindi pinilit. Oh. Bumalik tuloy sa kanya ang bola. Mukhang makakashoot pa. Nakakita mo yun, no? Had a chance maybe to force the issue.
Jonicio swings it over to Mark Cruz. Cruz.
Floating jumper on the side na ikinatuwa din niya. Sinusubukan siyang postehan, no? Ni Santos sa ilalim.
Octubre with a hand in his face.
Pero sabi ni Octubre, no? Yung pag-anticipate niya.
Gabawan.
Nice. Did we hear a whistle? Wala. Ito.
On the other side, Hosson will finish the break.
How about the footwork by Hosson?
Halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball and a partner of the MPBL.
Because even though they made 9 3-pointers, this is only a 5-point game.
Yeah, and they were perfect from the free throw line. Here's Rafi Octubre. Oh, that's a tough one. Alam mong, tumama na nga sa kamay niya. Gets away. The kick out to Ramirez. Santos gets it back, open from the corner. That's good.
A little Steph Curry-ish play right there. Santos was the one. And I like yung strategy ni Coach Elvis to start the second half. You know, yung mga nabanggit mong pangalan, sila Castro, wala silang point guard eh. Sila Darang. Pero Ives, ito si Amito.
Jammer.
Kakaiba eh, no? Hindi katulad ng mga ibang pangalan, common eh. Sidel, Christian.
Oh, what a move!
Ayun, kakaiba yun.
Jamil Gabawan drives Jervy for 3. No. Dumapic the offensive rebound and he puts it in for 2. 6 na puntos para kay Chris Dumapic.
And a small spin move with a mini jump hook.
Sazon to Octubre. Rafi with a jumper.
That's his shot. That's his shot that allowed him to end up with that jump hook.
Sazon, great fake. Wow, basket plus the foul.
So somebody woke up today and did not forget to put on these. Oh my goodness, they're going to be a handful.
Oo, abangan natin. Malapit na.
September 7.
September 7.
First game ata kami.
Malapit ka na rin mawala dito sa panel.
Sagarin mo na ako, boss.
Or Octubre.
That's a foul.
Oh! Rafi Octubre.
Rafi Brownlee Octubre with a 4-point play.
Marami kang binabansagan ngayon, ha?
Hindi, grabe yun eh. Ngayong third quarter.
Sazon drives and lays it in for 2. They're in a good rhythm.
He's a player.
Here's Mitchell Maynes, also a player.
Siyempre, hindi ka magpapahuli sa paborita mo eh, no?
62.
Swing.
They swing it over. Janicio knocks
shot.
down the corner 3.
And that's the difference. Remember the first play, he was...
Down low they go to Dumapic. The kick out to Cruz. Jervy, the extra pass. Marwin. Yes! Back-to-back hits para kay Marwin Janicio.
Offensive set. At that time, it was simple but effective. Inside-outside game. Seal. And then gravity and then kick out. But this one also inside game. Vera with a nice drive. Finish with the right.
This third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball and partner of the MPBL.
Naglaro rin yan ng Marikina under kay Coach Elvis. So, kilalang kilala siya, obviously. And Enzo Hoson, they talked about players being solid.
First quarter, second quarter, 20-21. Nakuha ng Bataan. Bataan also winning the third, 26-16. Rafi Octubre shoots and scores.
Excellent defense that team. Now, Dumapic was there to help, but Rafi Octubre rises up for that shot.
Dumapic inside, and Chris Dumapic. Big nowhere to go. Kick out to Kyle Tolentino. Tolentino ties the game.
Everybody was busy stopping. What a screen. What a screen.
Sazon, too strong on that drive. Elorde to Hoson.
Goaltending.
Cotabato up by 3. Sazon to Gabawan. Thought about it. Takes the shot and knocks it down.
How about Ives Sazon? One of the few times in the 6 seasons here, he's gonna give up a shot. Tolentino, binawi naman kagad.
Gabawan using the shot fake, trying to find Baguio. Great defense by South Cotabato. Hoson with some hang time on that finish.
And that's what you like. Just a solid finisher on the break. Tulad yan na nabanggit mo, a little hang time. And a little cushion right now. And a steal by Elorde.
Here's Elorde, layup, 2 points. What a run by South Cotabato for Bataan. Vera, the hesitation move. Ramirez, atake. Back out to Vera. 3-pointer, yes!
Well, the drive and kick game has...
Ni Ives Sazon. Sazon on the move. Ives, atake. Layup, good. Great response from Bataan. Bataan, 3-game losing streak. They wanna end that tonight. Janicio jumper is good. 14 in the ball game para kay Marwin Janicio. Janicio against Octubre. Out to Hoson.
Nice move.
Enzo layup. That was pretty.
Oh, what a move by Enzo Hoson. Talk about the foundation of basketball. That shot fake, jump fake, 1-2 dribble attack, and finish.
Ramirez for three. That's good.
And the counter to that nice move. I'm talking about Yves Sazon.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX 16 points for Marwin Janicio.
Gets a catch and shoot, then it's only a 2-point game.
Ramirez, quick two. But Jervy Cruz, they foul Elorde, 2 seconds off that clock.
2 of 2 so far with 10 points. That's big. That's the game.
Nothing but net para dito kay Jervy Cruz. 2 for 2. Sobrang kalmado ni Jervy doon. Here's Gabawan. Sazon will fire. No. And Nico Elorde secures the rebound. And what a game. South Cotabato comes out on top against the Bataan Risers. Final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX. That's good.